will now be recorded.
Hi, Gayatri. Good evening. Am I
Good
audible?
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So, how was the assignment? Did you complete that? Both of you?
I didn't complete it fully, sir.
Is okay. Is there any doubts?
Till now, there's no doubt, sir. I'll ask you if there's any.
Okay, fine. So this is the one yesterday we spoke about what is darknet, how darknet is going to work, then differences between dark web, then deep web, then surface web. So according to the layer wise, the meaning and examples, and what is the common darknet networks and legitimate users of the darknet and the legitimate users of the darknet, then how people will use that in real time, then darknet from the defender point of view, what you can do it, and also limitations of the darknet, and one line answer of the darknet, what exactly it is, and few questions like internet in real time, how the people will ask that in the interview, and which is the tool they used to have to browse the things in the darknet, like the tool name is called as tor, the onion router. Then it is only focused for networks or privacy focused network, and which is help us to browse anonymously in the internet. Then how the tor is going to work, so you cannot able to understand where is the entry point and exit point within the network. So this is called as relays. Okay, so tor sends your data or internet traffic through multiple voluntary run the servers is called as relays all over the world, where the data came from and where it's going to next, so that never both. Okay, this layer is going to be encrypted is called as onion routing. So onion routing is nothing but the data communication between starting point and ending point, it's going to be encrypted. So in this format, the data is going to be heights, like your IP address, your location, and browsing content, browsing activities. So it's completely hides your things from the internet service provider trackers and also surveillance. So Tor browser, so using as a tool, so this is modified versions of the Firefox and also routes all the traffic through the Tor networks and block the trackers by default, resist the browser fingerprinting, and also common uses of the Tor, protecting the privacy and anonymity, journalists and activities communicating safely, researching sensitivity topics, and accessing only .onion websites, not general websites. So after that, we spoke about the questions like, is that Tor is legal? And the answer is Tor is legal, but in most of the countries, including India, but illegal activities done through the Tor and also still is illegal. And limitations to know about that, it is a slow, the working performance is going to be slow. So due to multiple relays, and some websites are blocked through the Tor traffic, and not 100% anonymous if you log on to your personal account. And when we talk about the differences between Tor browser and VPN, and what is going to be happen, so here both the things is same, like hiding IP address and multiple hops. Tor is uses multiple hops, but here there is no multiple hops. And next, hops is nothing but computers. Okay, then trusted networks is required here, but here there is no trusted network. And speed wise, it's a slower and it's going to be a faster. And how the hackers misuse this Tor. One is anonymizing cybercrime, then dark web marketplaces, then how and what they used to do this, and also C2 via Tor, command to control, and we have a botnet over the Tor, and next bypassing the surveillance and law enforcement, and how the defenders and investigators track Tor based attacks. So here is the complete list according to the 6 point end of the session yesterday I spoke, and also which I gave that complete informations. You go through this, and also I told you to install uh, Tor browser. Correct, right? So in the practical session, so you have to download Tor browser. Then secondly, you have to install it. So after that installation, you have to connect Tor networks. So once if you connected Tor networks, then what will you get? Dot onion websites. Okay, dot onion is an extensions, and dot onion extensions are the URL are completely encrypted. So dot onion URLs are encrypted. Clear, right? Then to decrypt that or to open the contents of that encrypted link, then you require server must be decrypted. Okay, then only the contents are going to be open. Is that understand? To open encrypted links must be decrypted. Clear, right? So yesterday I told you to install and open the voluntary Tor browsers. So just it is an example here. Look at this. Yesterday it was taking long time to open, but immediately it's get connected. Look at this. So now this is connected. So now here we have a search, like a Google search. How we have here also we have a search engine. So that search engine is called as DuckDuckGo. So DuckDuckGo, what it is? It's a main search engine in the Tor browser. Clear, right? Important here. So DuckDuckGo. So DuckDuckGo, what it is? It is a search engine. So how the Google is going to work in the same manner here also going to work. And now before you search, make this onionize. So search using onion sites, but still we don't know which are the onion sites. And this would be the one of the world most private browsing experience. Okay. So now look at this. I want onion router websites. Onion websites. Just you press enter key. Directly you type the keyword dot onion websites. So type keywords. So it's taking time. So it's processing now. So same thing you search in your computer system. Are you getting the links of dot onion? Because my side internet little bit is slow. Generate onion links. Even you can search in this. So as I said in the beginning, it's working slowly, and you have to wait until that links gets established. Onion links. So newsletters.torproject.org, and look at this. Whatever searching activities you are conducting, everything is get recorded here only. I guess it is taking much time, so let it be. Uh, we will start some other topic. So here, imagine I make you to understand this ethical hacking lab setup. Then how to do what to do. So imagine here, this is your internet, and in this internet we have a computers. So this is one example of main system or main server. Okay, and using this machine, name it as Windows 10 physical machine. And I will be using a software called as VMware Workstation. Actually, it's a tool. Once if you install VMware Workstation, then which allows to create multiple computer systems, whichever you like PC1, PC2, then PC3, then PC4. So you can create any X number of computers. So these are all called as virtual machine. Hope you all understood. These are all called as virtual machine 1, and imagine this would be a Kali Linux. Next we have one more like Metasploit. So this is another machine, virtual machine 2. Next, even here you can take Windows 10. So Windows 10 as a virtual machine, and even I can take you that to Windows 7 also. So now totally you have 4 computers, virtual machines, and also physical machine is one more. So totally all 5 computers are connected to one network. So the network, whatever, this is your virtual network, and this is your internet network. I'll be writing here internet. Now if I wanted to connect between virtual network to internet, then you must suppose to use connecting between these three. It's called as bridged adapter. So it's a bridged adapter connecting your virtual network, physical network towards internet. Understand? This is bridged adapter. So using this bridged adapter, what is the main advantages? It's get connected between virtual network and wide area network. So this is virtual network. So using this virtual network, we are going to test our complete network, and also we have to check the IP is going to work properly or not. And this is your real-time network, means WAN network, which one is connecting your bridged adapter is connecting WAN networks to virtual network to LAN networks. Understand, right? This is our lab setup. So once if you connected, each machine has to get one IP address. So from the public, please remember here, your computer system must be connected to your WAN network. The moment if you connected, then all virtual machine must be connected towards network, WAN networks. So IP address must be assigned automatically. IP must be assigned automatically. So to get IP automatically, what kind of services is required? What I said, we required DHCP services. Hope you remember that. Correct, right? So what I want, DHCP services is required. This is our lab setup. So to set up this virtual environment, so we required, so number one, VMware software, VMware workstation software is required. Next, number two, uh, Kali Linux machine. Number three, Metasploit, Metasploitable machine, or this is also called as vulnerable machine, and this would be our attacking machine. And also you can name it as uh, targeted machine. Vulnerable machine also called, considered that as targeted machine. And in the fourth one Windows 10 or Windows 7 OS operating system. So these are the requirement for your lab setup. So you check once, whatever you have copied, all the files are available in the folder. Did you check the folder? Hiba, Gayatri, do you have all this? Whatever you have copied from the Mr. Anand is copied, it seems, right? Check the folder. Do you have all this? And the file is encrypted. You have to extract those files. Suppose if you don't have, then I will give you some of the links that you can download it and you keep that in the separate folder, then I can tell you later. Okay. So this was the one example how the duckduckgo.com is going to search the onion links. Okay, this is the top 31 dark websites with online. Right click and if you open the URL, you can check tor links dot onions. Here also, let's try to open the things. But it's taking time. I will try to share this links in the group. So open your chat box area, but use Tor browser. So using Tor browser, if you open the links, then everything is start working on this. Check your GoToMeeting chat box and somewhere you try to copy those things, because as I said, it's working slower. So use Tor browser, then do copy paste. Which allows to open .onion URL. As I said, most of them are encrypted links. Okay, let it be open. Uh, we'll try to take one more now. Suppose in the real time, if I don't have a tools, so first you check what's your internet speed, open speed test, check how much internet speed you have. So I'm getting most of that around 1 Gbps speed. Now my internet connections is working fine. Then what you do is, so type Kali Linux download. This is a website, okay, and click get Kali, and directly I have a virtual platform here. So click on the recommended one, and you can see here VMware, and also you can install and also you can create a virtual lab setup using VirtualBox. So these are the two virtual platform we have as of now, but I'm not taking VirtualBox, so I'm taking that towards VMware, and you can directly click on this download button. The moment if you click, the file is allow you to download. So this is the first one where you can download. What is that? Kali Linux. Then next one we have Metasploit. So go for Metasploitable download. Okay, just you click Metasploit. Mm, better you go for rapid7.com. No, don't want. Metasploitable download. Sorry, not Metasploit. It is Metasploitable. So click on download button, and it's downloading now. It says the size of the file is around 825 MB, and this would be 3.6 MB. This would be the second link for Metasploitable download. So these two machines are important. VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Click on this for Windows. VMware Workstation. This for VirtualBox. That you can see the file is downloading. So you can run multiple operating system that you can see here itself. This is to download VMware Workstation. So right now VMware Workstation 17.6, it is downloaded. So what you can do is just you click here, Without license, you cannot use multiple virtual machines. Okay, you can run only one virtual machine when you don't have a license in the virtual VMware workstation. Okay, so let it be install. Install is going on. Then we come back to our normal. So this was earlier what I was trying to say. When system is opened, Tor browser is opened. This is an example of dot onion links. Could you able to see? So this is an example, and again Amazon market, and look at this. You cannot able to guess the link, what exactly the structure of the URL. Okay, and this is the second link because all are encrypted, and this would be the third link. Okay, again ProPublica. Look at this ProPublica. It directly, if you want to open, just do copy paste, and Sci-Hub. Look at this, it is encrypted, the links are encrypted, and also which will give you the brief explanation about that services. Tenebris. Look at this again, the links are encrypted. This is what I would like to say. Then sir, then how do I open this? If you wanted to open, what you do, just copy this and go to new tab and paste and run. So now it takes its own time, and now it's get started. So there will be onion routers, that onion servers encrypting this link, means decrypting the links and start makes the secure the link between client and server. Then you click finish. But if you have a license, just you click the license and enter the license parameters, then you click OK. So this would be the 17 versions. Suppose if you don't have a license key, just you Google it. So license key for 17.6.1 version. So that I will try to, don't know is that working or not. Just I'm browsing in the internet. I'm trying to match with this ID. So this saying that completed. Yes, it's working. So now system is asking to restart. Right now I'm not going to restart. But again, if I restart the machine, then it's going to be a problem now. The recorded session will go off. Again, we'll restart the later. If you want the links of license,
Sir, we can't see your screen.
yes, my. So in the WhatsApp group, just I'm sharing that what is the real time active license key. So which are working, just I'm taking that links. Even you can use it. The first one, whatever I'm using, the first one. So see to that you check rest of the things. According to me, most of the keys are working here. So this would be the VMware Workstation Pro. Check your WhatsApp. Now if you want link to download them, use this source. So please check your ethical hacking WhatsApp group, which I've shared license key and as well as downloaded links. So sometimes if the encrypted link is not allow you to open, so you try with another one. Look at this. This is another link I have. Press enter key, and this would be the one example, the DuckDuckGo search engine. Look at this. Here also encrypted. The links are encrypted here. Press enter key. I guess it is again. It is taking time. So if the link, so check the files are available or not. So could you see this? It says 7 zip. The file is compressed. Right click here and you do extract all, and again click extract now. Now it is taking 14.6 GB. So whatever files you have, that must be extracted first. But before you extract, make ensure in the C drive do you have sufficient file storage or not. And also, if the link is refused, again you click resume this. Again it started again. So check. Okay, again it's taking 1 hour. Oh, so once the file is extracted, you have to browse the file .vmx that I will show you. Okay, so now you please once you check the folder is extracted or not, go to the download part, and this is the extracted file. Right click, check the properties. So according to the property sheet, how much? 14.6 GB. But before you extract, how much it was? 3.5 GB. After extracting, it is 14.6 GB. Double click, and this is your virtual hard disk files, and this would be the .vmx file. So this is our complete path, or else open your VMware, and there is a file menu, click open and browse the folder where exactly it's extracted. Just double click here and double click again, and this would be the VMX file, and you click open and make ensure here this is complete set of your network properties, microprocessor details, memory details, and network adapter is connected to NAT. So now, according to our requirement, what it was, it was to be in the bridged adapter. Then how do you change that bridged adapter? Just you click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings and go to Network Adapter and check this to bridged adapter. Replicate physical network connections to the state, and you click OK. Now see what happened here. Network adapter has been configured. Now what you do, click on power on this virtual machine. Close this. So now the password is Kali, username is also Kali, and password is also Kali. So now if I want to see the IP address, type if config, press enter key. You can see what IP address you have: 192.168.0.15. Okay, and use ping space hyphen 4, then google.com. Press enter key. Now this not get connected here, so temporary it's a failure one, and this is not a GUI mode. Okay, it is what? It's a command prompt. It's a terminal. It's open. Type exit. So just it is a simple method how you can directly download and extract the four files and folder. But directly don't download 2025. So we are going to use 2023 versions already, which I have copied. Suppose if you want older versions, so better you go here. Where is this recommended one? And here you have, so previous versions are not available. We have only the latest one. So the default username and password will be what? Kali Kali. So you also try to download the same thing. Once if you restart, then you will get the GUI mode. Is it okay? Is there any doubts now? You can choose anyone, Harshita.
All right, sir. So could you give like a short recap on what all we have to download? Like,
That I will send you.
all right, sir.
Open WhatsApp. You check in that WhatsApp group. I have shared that diagram and as well as the requirements. Is it okay? So tomorrow again we will see Metasploitable, how to download and how to install. But don't try to download. Just it is only for your understanding purpose. In real time, how you can make use of those links. Already we have copied some of the required tools Okay, you do not try to download and install it. Okay, just you extract the file, then install VMware and browse that VMX files and open it and configure that bridged adapter network. Okay, you keep that two systems, one is Kali Linux and Metasploit. So follow the same instructions, same methods, extract, open the files and configure the network adapter into bridge network. Is it okay? So tomorrow individually I will check your laptops and be configured all the steps whatever I've explained you now. And in case if you get any doubts or something if you did not understand, take a screenshot of that and post in the WhatsApp group itself. Then I will rectify in the class. Is it okay? Gayatri, Hibak, Kavya, Richla, Riya, Arshita, Dhriti. Suppose if you don't have any doubts, then we will meet up in the next session by tomorrow by 6:30. Until that, you practice, extract the files.
Sir,
Then, yeah,
the VMware, which version should we download?
already I've sent you the link.
In
I've checked in the
Yeah,
WhatsApp group.
yes, but in the
Seven,
link itself, it's giving.
7 point something, 7.61 something. You take it. 7.61. 7.6.1.
Okay, sir, thank you.
See in the WhatsApp group, VMware Workstation Full 7.6.1 license key. So according to that, you match and download it. Is it okay? So see you all in the next class. So until that, you practice and you let me know your errors, misconfigurations. If anything not understood, just you record it and we will discuss in the virtual room. Okay? See you all.
Sir,
Yeah.
attendance.
Attendance already I took. I took the
Yes,
screenshot
sir.
how many of you have attended and I've used in the
Okay,
WhatsApp
sir.
group also. Okay? See you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. See you all.